Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Option Pit. The morning vol report. I try to be in a good mood, Michelle, as I have my chat room people talking here on the side, which is good. Very timely, VIX and VIX ETP trading primer this Saturday, 9:30. Okay. You will learn how VIX works, how the VIX options work, how the ETPs work. Mark and I do the course. I would say it is like drinking water out of a fire hose. However, we break down a lot of misconceptions about the vol products so you understand how they work. It's one of the most important things. The price is for the class is very reasonable. I think it's, I don't know, like $200 or something like that. I can take a look. $197. And again, if you're an Option Pit Live subscriber, you get our Saturday classes for free. You actually get double because you get, if you do a 1-year subscription, you get all of our Saturday classes. So essentially, one pays for the other. As well, if you're gold or above, you get our classes and all the archives for free. If you're looking for more, if right now you're like volatility is confusing me, you go to our store and you look at some of our past classes, Introduction to VIX, VIX Future Options. Okay, send me a note at andrew@optionpit.com, and we can probably put together a package for you if you want to learn how all those products work. What we do is, but we always update the material for the current market conditions. So let's just get to those right now. So that's Saturday, 9:30 Eastern Time start. The market conditions are this: VIX cash. Now, possibly there's a little markup here for the weekend. Okay. Again, though, note the futures. The key statistic is your 1691 cash. The November future, now we're backward to November. Even with SPX unchanged, vol is going to be going up in the back of the cycle. We talked about this last week. It's just how much does it go up? I don't know. I think mostly what's going to happen, right? Again, this is a speculation, but it's going to creep up. It's going to creep up to the election, right? So one of the key things to look at too is you need certain things to happen, right? And right now we're not over that 17 number where we are, but we're creeping toward it. Okay. Volatility spiked, backed off a little bit, but now it's starting to rise again. And again, it's because there's not a lot of appetite to make those markets in the vol products this far out, right, to the election. So if I'm looking at SPY again, okay, even with the index up, I don't think it's going to really last. And just look at the term structure. Right. So, we might just hang around here all day. I honestly, I don't know. We could hang around here and the vol could get bid. The key is, again, just watch watch these levels here. The Nov 9 vol now, it's up 2 points again for the weekend. We did a calculation on this, looking at the straddle levels. It's still kind of holding on here. We marked these straddle volatilities in our chat room at around 15 or so, and all they're doing is going up. They're going up. They're going up. They're going up. Right? We marked the Nov 9 SPX at around 14.5, and they're going up. So, get in front of it at your peril. I don't know if there's huge risk in trying to sell vol right now. All I know is while vol is going up, it's like anything else. If you buy a stock, you want it to go up. If you sell vol, you want it to go down. Right now, it's not going down. So there's still a slight bid for it. It would not surprise me to see the highs of the day again that we saw on Friday. And I think vol probably just pushes higher. It'll push higher until the election, because now there's just the whole email thing, it's just whatever it is. It's a mess. So what you want to look at is, I think you want to look at outside. You just have earnings in several stocks, the Googles, the Microsoft, stuff like that. I think it might be worth trying to find some gamma because, you know, when you have like that quick market shock, we could be moving anywhere. What it does look like, though, is, you know, look at like a stock like Facebook, really not doing anything. Google's down a little bit. Microsoft up 35 cents. There's not, you know, they're not coming to kill the stocks. Okay. What they are coming to do, though, is they're coming to just bid the vol up a little bit, and that makes a big difference. So when we were looking last week at the Nov 9 cycle, I wanted to, you know, we wanted to price these things, right? So right now the straddle is still, you know, when we pinned the vol last week, it was 1440, and our speculation was that it was going to go up. And it's still, the vol is still going up. The straddle is not as solid as it was at the time, but it's still pretty good. It's still a $39 straddle. It was 46. So it's decaying. It's decaying at a much slower rate than normal, but still, the decay is slow enough to make the implied volatility go up. Notice again, if we were pinned at last week's prices, that straddle would be down much lower. Would be what is that, $39 at this point, and it's way over that. Oh, it's 47. So the straddle it's holding right up, right, holding right up where we thought it would hold up. So again, I don't expect that to come in. I would say look for some vol outside the election process, and you know, and that's what we have. All right, everybody, have a good day, and I will see many of you in our chat room later.